Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you hear funky sound, it's my dishwasher. So as I said on Instagram, I will do a pantry makeover or pantry organization, or how you want to call it. I call it a makeover because my pantry looks like shit. I'm gonna show you. So now I've already put some stuff down, but yeah, there is no organization. There were in the beginning, but now it's no organization at all. So if you're gonna organize your pantry or make a pantry makeover, I put together 5 steps that you can do to make your pantry look pretty or prettier. So step number 1 is to write down what do you need in your pantry, what do you use every day, or what do you want to have in bulk. I have, for example, written down in my notes what I usually use. I've categorized them in grains and pasta, legumes, flowers, nuts and seeds, and then other random stuff. Step number 2 is to decide what kind of size do you need for your different stuff in your pantry. So after I wrote up every item that I need or that I use, next to the item I also wrote what kind of size on the jar that I wanted. So I categorized them in S as in small, medium or large. Okay, so I ended up buying a small one, a medium, and this one large. You can find all of these on IKEA. I also have old jars that I've been using before, so I'm not only buying new stuff, I'm gonna reuse my old ones. And then I also have these old food jars that you have in the fridge, so I rinse them and I use them as jars. So we have arrived to our step 3 in this pantry organization. We're gonna clean off the pantry and we're gonna remove all of the clutter. I'm gonna wash these and I'm gonna clean out my pantry. Fresh and clean and a mess. My Vivo corner is just so big. I'm actually not gonna have the protein powders up here. I'm gonna put them here. It isn't that easy to imagine how it fits. So either you can just take the empty jars and play around and see how it will look, or you can do as I did. Excuse my handwriting. So I painted a drawing on my pantry. The things I use the most, like nut seeds and toppings, and then grains, pasta and oats on here, and yeah, just to see how it will fit and how it will look. Step 4 in the pantry organization is to fill the jars, the most funny thing, I think. So I'm gonna use my list in my notes as a guideline, and I'm gonna start with the big jars and fill them, and then I'm gonna fill the medium and then the small. here are the new ones, and over here are my old jars that I also used, and I also found some more jars that I used. Now everything is going up here. I'm gonna use my pre-done skis, take it from here and then see what fits and what doesn't fit. One question I got was that how do you know the instructions that are on the package for this one? I cut the instructions from the package and then I'm, how do you say it in English? Tape up. Put this one in the bottom. Now the instructions are under the jar. Before I forget to answer the question about what I do with the leftovers that are left over in the packages, this box right here where it says bulk, there I put it, and then we will also soon have a kitchen island where I also will have a drawer filled with leftovers. And in this cabinet I have all of my spices. Spices are so important when you're cooking good food. So spices, big spices, some oils and agave and maple. So I really hope that you found this video helpful and interesting, because I know I love watching pantry organization videos. And one more thing, one of you asked me if I keep some foods in their original packaging, and yes, if the packaging is very small, then I mostly keep it in the original packaging. Like this other pantry over here has like small things, so everything doesn't have to be in a jar. And of course you can also reuse old jars. I didn't have that many, but if I had, I would definitely use more old jars. I think I'm gonna end this video here. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and please give me some suggestions down below if you want to see like similar videos or something else within vegan lifestyle. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one.